This is the 4-axis driver card control box, and this is the inverter we use Falling brand. This is the power supply we use it for 4-axis driver card. This card is designed for Mark III controller, and in fact this card combined the drivers and the breakout board. So it is very cheap, but we only use it on small machines with a slow speed like 5 meters at most, and as this card, the max currency is only 3.5 and the average is 2.5. With this card you can control the spindle start and stop by Mark III system, but you cannot control the spindle speed by Mark III, but you can control the speed by the knob of the inverter, like this. But this card can only use the parallel port. It's 25 pins, you can see. On most of our machines we use USB port breakout board of Mark III controller, and there are two main differences. The first is it uses USB port, so you can connect your machine to any PC or laptop. And the second, we use separated drivers. We use Yaku and Lidshine brand. Their currency can be 5. And the breakout board max step pulse frequency can be 200. So the machine speed can be faster than the 4-axis driver card. There are 3-axis version and 4-axis version. Now you see this is the 4-axis version, so there are 4 pieces drivers. This is the DSP controller. The main difference from Mark III is this controller can work without computer, and it is very easy to operate. You can just copy the 2-path decode field into the U disk and insert it into the DSP, and then run it by the DSP. It will be fun. And there are 3-axis version and 4-axis version. Now you can see there are 4 pieces driver, so it's 4-axis. And we use Rich Auto brand. You can see its model is A18S. It's a 4-axis version, but for 3-axis version it's A11S. And here, please pay attention. Some factories will use copy DSP, not from Rich Auto, so it's cheap, but it's not reliable. Please take care.